I'm just gonna eat it all. Hell with you guys. Heck with you guys. Okay, kids, we're gonna have some fun here. We always have fun, don't we? Look at this. I got this shrimp and pineapple, and I'm gonna thread them up. I'm gonna griddle them. We're making a shrimp roll sandwich on King's Hawaiian bun, and we're gonna coat this with one of Big Papa Smoker's Hallelujah Lime, and then we're going to cook it on the griddle. But in the meantime, I'm going to make our dressing for the shrimp roll. It's going to be some red bell pepper. It's going to be some jalapeno. It's going to be the chopped up shrimp, the chopped up griddled pineapple. You have a little celery, a little red bell pepper, key lime, lemon, horseradish, jalapeno, Hallelujah Lime. Don't leave home without it. Okay, let's start building the salad, the rest of the salad. Let's start by, it's gonna be about a stalk and a half of celery. Papa, you're a genius. Look at that. I come in here. I want the stuff pretty small. We just want it to be crunchy, but not dominant. Celery. Check. Red bell pepper. Beginning to look like Christmas, all this red and green. Jalapeno. Now remember my tip on jalapenos. If you don't want them super hot, you see in here you got all those seeds and this white stuff. We're going to take our thumbnail with gloves. Please, with jalapeno, use gloves or wash your hands a lot. Learning the hard way is really not fun because I don't want it too hot. I would just want the jalapeno to be a little flavor amongst all the others. Just one for flavor. Then some sweet onion. Okay, now we're going to go outside and we're going to griddle up the shrimp and pineapple. Then we're going to rest it, let it cool a little bit, then chop it up, mix it in here. We're going to add our horseradish just for a little kick. We're going to add some mango vinaigrette because I love it so much. We're going to add the juice of half a lemon, and we're going to add the juice of at least half, if not a whole, key lime, a little more Hallelujah Lime, and maybe a little Louis in there. So I'll see you in just a minute. We're going outside. I got it at 350. I'm going to bump it a little bit because I want to get some caramelization. So what we're going to do here, we're going to cook it longer on this side to get the caramelization. We're going to flip it. We don't care about the caramelization. We got it on one side. And so very quickly, it'll get cooked. And you can see the color is changing now. Now I buttered some King's Hawaiian sweet roll. This is starting to look like a great lunch, kids. I think you're really going to like it. So I can hold this, pick it up. Can we pause a moment for perfection? Oh, let's go in and make these bad boys. Okay, I'm going to separate the pineapple from the shrimp. And that is because I want to make sure that I put everything else in, toss it, and then decide how much shrimp I need, how much pineapple I need. I think you guys are going to like this. I know I am. Look at this. So we have our shrimp here. Okay. Horseradish, mango vinegar, goopy mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise, I love it. Half a lemon, more for insurance. Key lime, jalapeno, celery, sweet onion, red bell pepper. Let's just start by putting some of the pineapple, mixing it all in there good. Get the shrimp in there. Mix it in nicely. Oh, that looks perfect. How did I get this right? Lucky at cards, too. Okay, so now we got this beautiful thing. Key lime. The world is a better place with key lime. Let's go kind of easy on the lemon. I'm going to do about half a squeeze here and then see how it tastes. Mango mango vinegar. Little secret weapon here. So a little bit of horseradish just to kick it up. I'm going to mix it up with my hands. Hello, lime. Little Louis. Now the mayonnaise. Okay, time to reset and assemble here. Okay, let's load them up.